ABC Educational Channel.
Hello, kids. Welcome to today's English lesson. Do you see these things around us? Sometimes they are near, and sometimes they are far. Today, we are going to learn two special words that help us talk about things. This and that. Are you ready? Let's go. When something is near us, we use the word this. Example: this is a pen. This is my book. This is an apple. So remember, this means something close to you. Can you say it with me? This. But what if something is far away? Then we say that. Example: that is a chair. That is a tree. That is a balloon. So remember, that means something far from you. Let's say it together. That. This and that. Let's compare. Look here. This is my pencil. That is your bag. This is a cat. That is a dog. So remember, this equals near. That equals far. Now it's your turn. Ready? What do we say? Great! That is a hat. What do we say? Right. This is a car. What do we say? Super. That is a box. Well done, kids. Today we learned about demonstrative pronouns. This means something near. That means something far. Now you can look around and tell me. Is it this or that? Thank you for learning with me today. See you next time.